Not very far from the palace of the city. In fact, opposite to the police commissioner's office is a city of dwarfs in Mysore. Why do I call it city of dwarfs? Because there are tiny buildings, tiny bus stops, tiny pathways, and sometimes you wonder what exactly is this place. So today I am here to find out the story of the park which is opposite to the police commissioner's office. So let me tell you whatever I've been able to find out. This actually is the Children's Traffic Park, and it was built with the idea to educate young kids, kids who are in school, about traffic rules, etc. And many people back in the 90s remember that as school kids, they used to come to this park along with their teachers, where they would ride a bicycle and then they would jump a signal and their teacher would find them. So all play acting, but it used to teach you something real, something that would come in handy later on in life as an adult. Now, when was this park built? I've tried to find out, but I haven't found the exact specific date. But it is quite possible that it was originally built in the 1980s sometime. It was renovated in 2018 and reopened for the public again because it had fallen into bad repair. But as you can see now, I think it's again fallen into bad repair. So Children's Traffic Park opposite to the police commissioner's office. Right now I can see that there are not so, young kids. There are only adults who are using this place for an evening walk. And I'm guessing they use it in the morning as well. But I have heard that schools bring kids here sometimes to teach them about traffic rules and stuff like that. So it's an interesting initiative. In fact, I also read that these kind of parks were opened in many different cities in India when India started getting more and more modernized to be able to teach young kids the importance of traffic rules. I don't know how much we learned from it, but this is an interesting initiative, and it will be nice to see that this place is given another lease of life, and we have a lot of kids here coming on a daily basis or at least on a weekly basis to learn more about traffic, because of course our generation has really screwed up traffic in the cities. Maybe the next generation will do better. And for more such reels on history, mystery and stories from Mysuru, follow Eccentric Sachin.